Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, extend it, and find the hotspot toggle, which for me looks like it is right at the bottom, second last option. So from here, I want to hold it. This will take us to the settings, and in here we can customize it. So at the top we have the enable, disable toggle. I have set up portable hotspot, so let's tap on it, and in here, quick settings, name of the Wi-Fi. You can change it if you want to, keep it as it is if you don't feel like changing it. Then below that we have a password. Now if I tap on this little look and the eye, it will show the password, and obviously as you can see this is some randomly generated gibberish, so you can completely remove it if you want to and set your own. It needs to have 8 characters in length, as you can see mine does right now, and from there you can save it. And you also have the security, the second last option that I consider important would be the AP band. So by default it's gonna go to the 2.4 gigahertz, but if you want you can change it to 5 gigahertz. Now keep in mind, not every older device will support it, and if your device that you'll be trying to connect to this Wi-Fi with falls under that category, you will basically not see your Wi-Fi at all. It just won't show up in the list. And if that is the case, if your Wi-Fi or hotspot is enabled and you just don't see it, that means that your device doesn't support the 5 gigahertz one, and all you need to do is drop it down to 2.4 and it should appear without any problem. Now I'll also add that the 5 gigahertz right here is something completely different than what you have on the newer phones, the 5G option, like capabilities, whatever you want to call it. This is something completely else. It is strictly for Wi-Fi and it has nothing to do with mobile network. So this is Wi-Fi, and generally it came out several years, if not like a decade before the actual 5G came out for the phones right now. So select it to whichever one you want, or whichever your device supports. From there tap on the check mark and all the settings will be saved. And you can leave this, and from now simply tap on a toggle to turn it on, and then tap on it again to turn it off once you're done with it. Now if you keep it on, it will consume a little bit more battery on your device, so that's why I'm suggesting you turn it off when it's not in use. And again, you just tap on it to turn it off. So that is how you would set it up and enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.